All right, so I'm doing the trans flush on the car. I do use the AC Delco Synchromesh friction modified. It's got to be friction modified. It's important. Okay, so I feel like everybody's got their little recipe on how they eliminate the second gear grind, but I use that. I had success with it. Some people say they don't. Some people use other shit. I don't know. That's just what I use. I do run the Willwood clutch master cylinder. It has a Fx8 clutch with it's an 8-putt clutch with the full face ceramic disc. It has the Fidanza aluminum flywheel. Let me see what else. I said the Willwood clutch master cylinder. That comes with a stainless steel braided line, and I deleted the delay valve out of the slave cylinder. I did the detent springs in the trans. I only did 2 of them, the 2 easy ones. I did those. I have those are the hybrid racing ones. I don't even recommend those for real. I have the hybrid racing shifter linkage bushings and the cutie shifter and all that stuff inside. But that's pretty much it. The trans itself is stock though, like the gear set, but I just changed everything around it, and I don't have any gear grinds. I don't have any issues popping out of any gears, or I can go in any gear. It's good. But I did have problems though. I had a whole host of issues with the trans going into gear, grinding into second, into third, intermittent fourth gear. Like, it was bad, but I fixed it now. Now I'm very happy with it. So, and adjusting the pedal, that's a key one too. You really got to adjust the pedal. That was a pain in my ass, but I adjusted it. It was well worth it because now it shifts like butter. I just treat her good. Flush the fluid often. I only got 40,000 miles on here. I must have changed the fluid about 4 times already. So yeah, that's my recipe. I know it sounds like a lot, so I'm not saying you need to do all that shit to eliminate the second gear grind. I'm just saying that's what I have done on this car. So I'm gonna get back to work.